Hi my dear students, good afternoon. Today we will do our lesson 10 exercise. Okay, it's a very short class and you have to complete all the works. Okay children?
Children, take out your textbook, page number 100. See, comprehension. Complete the sentences in these boxes. First one, Ammu wants a dash dash, but she does not have one. What will be here? Ammu wants a pet kitten. Pet kitten. Right. Next, at school, she tells her friends. Write with me, then you can complete it very fast. Friends that she has one. His name is Shankar. Now next one, third one. They want to come to Ammu's house. House to see Shankar. Now Ammu is worried and sad. Next, Ammu asks Achan to buy her a pet kitten, but he laughs. Ammu feels bad that she told her friends a lie. It's not a good habit, it's very bad habit. So Ammu feels bad that she told her friends a lie. She becomes ill and stays at home. That evening, when her friends come home, there is a kitten in the garden. Who is that? Shankar. Now answer in detail that I will give you. Okay, first one, what lies does Ammu tell her friends at school? Second, Shankar is scared of crowds. Who says this to whom? Why does she say this? Third one, why is Ammu worried and sad? And fourth one, what does she request Achan to do? That we will write in the notebook. Next, know your values. Now, Ammu has a pet kitten. What should she do? Take the correct answer. Now, Ammu has a pet kitten. What should she do? First one, she should take care of Shankar with help from Achan and Amma. She should let Shankar take care of himself. She should ask Amma to take care of Shankar. Which one is the correct one? First one, she should take care of Shankar. Shankar means pet kitten. With help from Achan and Amma. Second one, she should let Shankar take care of himself. She should ask Amma to take care of Shankar. What is the correct one? First one. We should love animals. If we have a pet, we should take care of it. We can ask adults means elders, to help us, but we should do most of the work. Okay. Now listen the grammar part. A sentence is a group of words with a verb. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. This one we have already learned when we learned the punctuation. Punctuation rules. Begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. See here, Shankar, S is capital, eats bananas, full stop. Then the kitten is brown, first letter capital and ends with a full stop. Now write the words in the correct order. Add capital letters and full stop. One has been done for you. This one I won't help you because this is very easy one. You can do yourself. Okay. Let us check the first one. Rest, she, bed, in. The words are splitted. So how can we write in the correct order? She rests in bed. She rests in bed. Now, second one, eats he bananas. These are not in the correct order. How can we write? He eats bananas. So, first letter should be capital letter. H should be capital letter. He eats bananas. Full stop. Now, is she song a singing? Yeah, first should be subject. She. She is singing a song. S should be capital letter and ends with a full stop. Milk he to drink likes. He likes to drink milk. Laughed my loudly friends. My friends laughed loudly. M should be capital letter and ends with a full stop. Now next one, listen. Page number 102. We ask a question to find out something. We often begin a question with a WH, question word. We write a question mark, question mark, at the end of the question. See, WH, it is a question word. Where is Shankar? It's a asking sentence. So, we should write a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. Other question words are who, which, where, what, and when. See, WH. All the words are starting with WH. And when are called WH question words. Okay. Now, next one is very easy. Tick the pictures that answer these questions. This one also you can do yourself. What is green? Of course, it is leaf. Now, second one, who has long hair? Put tick mark in the correct box. What makes a buzzing sound? Spider or honeybee? Where can you see fish? On the tree or in the water? Which animal has a trunk? When do you sleep at night? Okay, put tick mark in the correct boxes. And next page, look at the answers and complete these questions. First one has been done for you. What is the time? It is 4 o'clock. Now, dash bird has a red beak. The parrot has a red beak. So, what will be the question word? Which bird? W. First letter should be capital. Which bird has a red beak? Now, third answer is I live in Kolkata. Now, what do you live? Is it correct? No. Which do you live? No. Where? Where do you live? Where do you live? Now, fourth answer is he is my brother. So, who? Who is that boy? Now, fifth answer is I go to school at 8 o'clock. When do you go to school? Okay. Now, the last one, vocabulary. Read this sentence. I have a beautiful kitten. Something that has a lot of beauty is beautiful. FUL means full of. or having a lot of. Okay? Work in pairs. Complete these full words. Now make some sentences with these words and tell each other. You can write here, and other work you have to do in pairs. So, if it is possible, do at home. Okay? A person who has a lot of power is powerful. Powerful. Don't write double L, only single L. Okay? A thing which is of great use is useful. Useful. Something that is full of colors is colorful. Colorful. A person who does things with care is careful. Careful. A person who helps others is helpful. Helpful. Observe the picture very carefully. What are the children doing? Okay, now write 5 sentences about this picture in your notebooks. Here are some words to help you. The same questions will be not the same model questions will come for exam also. Okay, family, camping, tent, playing cricket, table, drinking juice, flying kite, jumping. You can start like that. The family is in the park or in the garden. Okay. They have a tent. Like that you can write. Father and son are playing cricket. Okay. Write 5 sentences. Okay, children. Thank you.